To preserve the performance of your BelowCounter eSpring water purifier, you'll need to periodically change the system's cartridge. It's easy to know when to make the change because eSpring comes complete with an electronic monitor that tells you when it's time to replace the cartridge. When water is flowing through the system, the indicator will beep continuously. The cup symbol will turn red, the replace cartridge is displayed with no bars visible, and the cartridge icon flashes. This lets you know when you have filtered 1,320 gallons of water, or it has been a year since the last change. It's quick and easy to change the cartridge. You can do it yourself with just an ink pen and a few towels. Start by simply unplugging the power adapter. Next, turn off the cold water supply line beneath your sink to the system. Open the auxiliary faucet to drain any water and leave the faucet open. Pull the unit forward and place it on a towel. Remove the top shroud by pulling upward and then take off the electronic module. Remove the tubing removal tool. To assure a proper fit when reassembling the unit, use an ink pen to draw lines at the points where the tubes meet the rings. With the logo on the removal tool facing out and the tool set flat against the bracket, place 3 fingers on the dots and push the tool firmly against the rings with even pressure. Then, pull the tubes free with your other hand. Once the tubes have been removed, move the unit up to the counter. Unscrew the retaining ring, lift the handle, and pull straight upward to remove the cartridge and bracket. While holding over the sink, simply unscrew the cartridge from the bracket and dispose of the cartridge. Before replacing the cartridge, take a few moments to empty water from the base and inspect the interior surface of the base. If necessary, remove any dirt. Also, inspect the bracket. You are now ready to install the new cartridge. Firmly press the cartridge and bracket together and turn the cartridge until it comes to a stop. With the new cartridge attached, reinsert the bracket into the base. Align the notches of the bracket with the tabs on the base. With the handle down, press down firmly until the bracket contacts the base. Screw the retaining ring on until it comes to a stop. Look to make sure no screw threads are visible. Because it is not a water seal, you should not twist the retaining ring past where it stops, as this may damage the system. Move the unit back under the sink. Now, reinsert the water tubes until they align with the marks you made. You'll feel a little resistance before each tube is fully into place. Reopen the cold water supply line valve beneath the sink with the auxiliary faucet still open. Let the water run. It takes a little while for the water to saturate the cartridge. Then, let the water run through the system for about 5 minutes to remove any air or carbon dust from the system. Check for any signs of leaks. Turn off the water at the auxiliary faucet. Replace the electronic module. Make sure the cord is inserted properly into the notch on the back and the tubing is in the proper slots. Store the removal tool for future use. Return the top shroud to the base unit and snap in place. Plug the power adapter back into the wall and wait for the monitor to register with a beep. Now, move the unit back into position. Open the faucet, letting the water run through the system. Check to make sure the monitor has blue scrolling water drops with a blue cup. The monitor will automatically reset when it recognizes that a new cartridge was installed. The system is ready again, ready to give you and your family the clean, great-tasting water that you depend on your eSpring water purifier to provide.